A lot of people was having problems with connecting their Parrot Bebop 2 to their tablet or Android cell phone or iPhone with the controller. But it's so simple. It's very easy. All you have to do, well, before I get into that, I heard all kind of things you should do to get it to work. Like put your plane in, actually put the phone in airplane mode, turn on the Wi-Fi, connect, and all that stuff. You don't have to connect no Wi-Fi. You don't have to put the tablet or phone in airplane mode. This is all you have to do. Okay, as you see, the drone is off. The only thing that's on is my tablet. That's the only thing on. The only thing is on my tablet. Now, even the remote is off. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn on the drone. That's the first thing you do. Press the button once and turn on the drone. It's going to blink. The red light is going to blink. It's going to give off dun 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 dun. It's going to give off a sound. And after that red light starts blinking, that means it's set up already. Found what it's looking for. And guess what? All you got to do is turn your remote on. Press that button. And watch what happened to the screen. Watch what happened to the screen. It automatically comes up and it connects. No thanks. It automatically comes up on you don't have to do anything. You know, as you can see, let me see if I can show you. I'm not even connected to the Wi-Fi or anything. See what I'm still connected to? To my network. Trying to get it to focus here. It's not focusing, but you can see right here, this is my network. Bebop, this is Bebop right underneath it. That's not even connected. And you're connected. You're ready. You're actually ready to go flying. All you have to do is go ahead and calibrate your drone. You want to make sure do that. Go ahead and calibrate your drone. Right here, calibration. Go ahead and start your calibration. That's about it. If you haven't calibrated us yet. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys. Happy flying.